Chicken Cacciatore, a timeless Italian classic for two. Welcome to our cooking show. Today, we're diving into a classic Italian recipe, Chicken Cacciatore, a dish that epitomizes the heart and soul of Italian cuisine with its rich flavors and comforting embrace. Chicken Cacciatore, known as hunter's chicken, is steeped in history, originating from the humble meals made by hunters using the day's catch, seasoned with wild herbs. This dish is a beautiful blend of simplicity and sophistication, traditional yet adaptable to modern tastes, making it perfect for a cozy meal for two. To start, you'll need boneless chicken thighs, seasoned generously with salt and pepper. This forms the succulent base of our dish. Heat olive oil in a skillet and sear the chicken until golden. This step is crucial as it locks in the flavors. Next, sauté onions and bell peppers in the same skillet. The vegetables should soften and meld flavors with the aromatic base of the dish. Adding minced garlic enhances the fragrance, setting the stage for further layers of flavor. Deglazing with white wine not only recaptures any residual tastes, but also introduces a subtle acidity to the dish. Stir in canned diced tomatoes with their juices, infusing the dish with a rich, tomatoey depth that's quintessentially Italian. Herbs like oregano, thyme, and basil contribute earthy undertones, while a pinch of red pepper flakes adds a gentle kick. Return the chicken to the pan, nestling it into the bubbling sauce, ensuring it soaks up every bit of flavor during the simmer. Cover and cook on low heat. The chicken will become wonderfully tender, absorbing the herbal tomato sauce. Once cooked, adjust seasonings to taste and garnish with fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness. This dish pairs beautifully with pasta, rice, or crusty bread, making sure you have something to soak up the delicious sauce. In conclusion, Chicken Cacciatore for two isn't just a meal, but a celebration of love, warmth, and culinary tradition, capturing the essence of Italian family dining. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy this delightful dish and the memories you create as you cook and dine. Buon appetito!